Hey, today's video I'll be reviewing the Ocean Wave Projector. So right here it comes with the remote, and this is the projector. And it does have different colors, as you guys can see. And this is what it looks like. And it has like a little signal bar. And I don't know if you guys can see that. This better have some good freaking power into it. So we are going to turn it on and plug it in. What? Is that a good thing? Okay. What is it? So right here we have it plugged in. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. There we go. We got the white, green. This basically turns it up. This turns it down. And there's like different, you can have a timer on, off. I don't even know what's happening. Auto, and that's what it basically is. Got red, green, blue, white, green. I'm assuming that's like a dark blue, orange. I assume that's a blue. Here's all the other ones, and it's so cool. It's actually, and you can actually have it flash. And this is actually really cool to put outside. So we're going to turn off all the lights in my house so you guys can see in the dark. And whoa, there it goes. That's actually really cool in the dark. Yeah. Hold up. And there we go. That's what it looks like. I'm not even joking, it looks like the stuff that the aquarium uses. Ooh, red. Blue, ooh, the blue actually looks really nice. Yellow. Orange. This would be actually cool for like a video, if you're doing a video in the dark, not gonna lie. Oh, I love this one. This one's really nice. Wow. And white. Oh my gosh. That looks more like a purplish pink than this white. Dang. Green again. Yeah, this one right here is, hold on. Yeah, this one, yeah, my favorite. Definitely this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this light, and you can put it on the roof or whatever. You can put it in like an office to light it up, and this would be actually cool if you're doing like a video in the dark, and you can have it as your background. And look at that, I have put it on like some kind of little thing, so it can stay on the wall and you guys can see it. Not gonna lie, that looks like the thing that the aquarium uses to light up its fish tanks. I don't know, it gives me like aquarium vibes.
So this light has an RGBW ocean wave light, which comes with a 24-key RF remote control to vitalize the illumination. This projector has 12 colors and 11 lighting modes, memory time function, and it's dimmable. The light is made out of high quality die cast aluminum and waterproof technology. It's safe and practical to meet the lighting and decoration needs for different occasions. This is perfect decorations for indoors and outdoors. You can use these for parties, creating a relaxing environment. It's got a great scenery, and you can enjoy happy times with friends with this light. So this is an IP65 waterproof technology. It protects a level up to 65, which can easily withstand different weathers, heavy rains, and snows. It has 12 different colors, 11 lighting modes, effects and to choose from. It has a 180-degree adjustable bracket. So it comes with a ceiling mount, the wall mount, and a ground mount. So this right here, you can see the many different colors that it offers. And then there's a glass inside the light that moves, which gives you the water effect. So this ocean water wave effect projector is super nice. It is a bit heavy, so when you're installing this next to your wall, it is recommended to make sure you connect it to your 2x4s. That way it doesn't fall off. But if you're looking for a nice ocean effect with different lighting colors, I would highly recommend checking this one out.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want this, I'll link it down below. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!